Now I want you to imagine, what if you could get this type of payment sent to your bank account every single week? Now here's the thing, 99% of people would think this is a scam and will close this video. But if you stay with me and watch this video till the end, then I will show you exactly what to do to earn $3 to $7 again and again and make fast PayPal money starting today. And by the end of this video, you will get 6 real and legit ways to earn easy PayPal money fast. I'll show you how to register for free and how to get approval from anywhere in the world. And also how you can avoid certain mistakes that people are doing so that you can make money and confirm your payments with no problem at all. Also, I will show you the free trainings to help beginners who are just getting started. And last but not least, at the end of this video, I will share with you a bonus source of a reliable income. And if you're new here, make sure to check our channel and hit that subscribe button. We post consistent content helping you make online money from home, build passive income streams, and become 100% financially free online. And also, turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. And for those of you guys who want to learn how to make anywhere from $200 to $500 every single day, you can check our website wowmoney.net and you will get all the details on how you can start making that kind of income starting today. So let's go to today's website, and it's remotasks.com. And before I tell you more about it, let's look on Google about how reliable is this website. And you can see here that it's a highly professional company who pays their workers each week. Many people love this site and earn a decent amount of money each week for completing different tasks. So clearly a lot of people are satisfied with the money they're getting from Remotasks. And I can tell you that it's legit. Now let's go back to the main website, so Remotasks, and to sign up you just have to click on the sign up button right here. Once you click on the sign up button, you will find yourself in this page here where you have 2 possible options to register. You can use your Facebook account or your Google account and you will automatically be logged in, and all your data will be synchronized with your Facebook or Google account. So how does it work? Let's go back on the home page and scroll down and see how we can start making money from Remotasks. Now the first step is naturally to sign up. We've covered it a minute ago. Now you know how to sign up to this website for free. And where it begins to become interesting is step 2. You see, to be able to make money on this website, you need to have certain skills. But the website doesn't require the skills. They will teach them to you. So the second step is taking courses and learning and building skills in different categories that we'll talk about later in this video. And these courses are 100% free. And then each time you finish building a new skill, you pass the aptitude test. And the cool thing is, if you fail one of the tests, you can just keep retaking it until you pass it and unlock the category. And also, passing the exams doesn't require any money. You learn and pass the tests 100% for free, which is really cool from the website. And the third step is, well, simply work. Once you pass the test, you unlock that category of jobs. So now you can start working on the available tasks that the website is offering. And you don't have to worry about competition or anything like the other websites. Because if you pass the test, then the website trusts you with the new jobs and tasks. So you can work in any unlocked job in your dashboard. And then you will get paid weekly via PayPal. And if you don't have a PayPal account, at the end of this video, we will show you how to set up a free PayPal account. So these are the 4 simple steps to get started on this website. You can see that you don't have to do anything hard. You just sign up, learn new skills, unlock job categories, and start making money. Now let's see what kind of jobs you can work on this website. So you have here images, or as it was called, image annotation. So in this category, all you have to do is draw bounding boxes around various objects. And in this example here, you can see how you can do it. You just draw boxes around all the cars of the picture to determine what is where, and that is all. The second type of jobs is 3D, and it's basically the same thing as image annotation, except you do it for 3D images and radar sensors. So it's exactly the same thing, but different type of images, that's all. And then we go to OCR transcription. And the thing about this category is that it's the one with the most available jobs. And it also pays really well. So I would invite you to start by unlocking this category since you are sure to have jobs over and over again. It's the category that will make you the most consistent earnings on this website. And what you have to do is basically write down and describe important information from a picture. So say it's a picture of a restaurant menu. You just write down the menu and the prices and that is all. Or for example, describe the content of the picture. Like here I see what looks like a blue restaurant menu, written on it blue bottle. I see a cup of coffee, a blue knife, and a green spoon. See, it's easy, but it pays the most of all categories. Another cool job you can do is categorization. So they give you a picture or a term, for example, or a text, and they ask you to determine in which category it belongs. So you can see here in this example, we have a term, and we have multiple keywords and categories, and you just select to which category it belongs. So here it's headphones. You see, it's clearly a super easy way to make money, right? And the next one is comparison, and it's literally the same thing as the first two categories. You just need to draw bounding boxes around object, except in the first two, they will ask you to draw them for all the cars of the picture, for example. And here they will ask you for a specific type, for example, only the red cars of the picture. So it's pretty similar, nothing hard about it. And here is my favorite of all, and that's data collection, or to simplify the name, web searching. All you have to do is surf on the internet and find certain information. For example, an address, a phone number, an email address, etc. And you get paid for that. It's crazy how easy you can make money on this website. And if we scroll down, you can see the reviews of remote task users. People from different countries are making money and are satisfied with this website. Like here, Clark is saying that remote task is one of the most exciting jobs he's ever had. Carlos here thinks that it's exceptional and beyond expectations. And at the very bottom of this page, you can find the frequently asked questions. You can just check it out and have all the answers to your questions about their payment method, how much you can make, how to maximize your earnings, how to withdraw your money, etc. A ton of questions that you probably are asking yourself will be answered in this section of the website. Now, what makes the website very interesting is the free training that it offers. You are going to build skills, you guys. You will be able to work on different jobs from home thanks to that, and it's free. And a lot of people are making a full-time income working on their own schedule from home. So you have to jump on this opportunity, start working on remote tasks, and get paid via PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, I'll invite you to check the WikiHow page on how to set up a free PayPal account. It's very easy, free, and it literally takes you a couple of minutes to set it up. And as I promised you, here's the additional income stream that you can start working on it from now, which is Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's something really similar to remote tasks. And it's from one of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon. So you know that the payments are going to be quite good. So it's another website that you can add it while working on remote tasks to increase your monthly income. Now guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video, teaching you new methods and strategies to make money online. See you on the next video.